To deposit money in Webull, start by logging into your Webull account on the mobile app or website. Once logged in, navigate to the main page and click on the deposit button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. On the deposit page, you will be asked to choose your deposit method. Webull offers several deposit methods, including ACH transfer, wire transfer, and mobile deposit. ACH transfer is the most common method and it is free, while wire transfer may incur a fee. After selecting your deposit method, you will need to provide some information, such as your bank account details and the amount you want to deposit. For ACH transfer, you will need to provide your bank account number and routing number. Once you have provided the required information, review and confirm the details to ensure they are correct. Webull will then verify your bank account information, which may take a few minutes. After verification, the deposit will be processed and the funds will be added to your Webull account. The processing time may vary depending on the deposit method, but ACH transfers are usually processed within 1 to 3 business days. It is essential to note that Webull has some deposit limits, such as a minimum deposit amount of $100 for ACH transfer and a maximum deposit amount of $50,000 per day. To avoid any issues with your deposit, make sure to use a bank account that is in your name and has sufficient funds. Also, be aware of any fees associated with your deposit method and plan accordingly. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money into your Webull account and start trading. It is crucial to be patient and allow the deposit to process, as it may take some time for the funds to become available in your account. In conclusion, depositing money in Webull is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By understanding the deposit methods, providing the required information, and being aware of the deposit limits and fees, you can successfully deposit money into your Webull account and start trading.